Did you know that forgetting about a bank account could actually cost you money? It sounds crazy, but if you have an old savings or checking account with Regions Bank, you need to be aware of their dormant account policy. Otherwise, those forgotten funds could slowly disappear due to fees. We're talking about money that could eventually get turned over to the state as unclaimed property, a process called escheatment. So, how does an account become dormant, and what exactly are the fees Regions Bank may charge? First, let's define dormant or inactive. At Regions, an account can be considered inactive or dormant if there is no customer-initiated activity for a specific period of time. This isn't just about withdrawals. Activity includes deposits, withdrawals, or even contacting the bank to update your address. The precise length of inactivity can depend on the account type and your state's laws, but generally, if your account goes untouched for a year or more, it could be flagged. Now, for the part that hits your wallet, the fees. According to Regions Bank's policies, dormant or abandoned accounts may be subject to a reasonable service charge, in addition to any usual service charges applicable to the account. While the specific fee amount can vary based on the type of account, like a checking versus a savings, and state law, these maintenance fees are designed to offset the bank's cost of managing accounts with no activity. For example, on a Regions Now savings account, if it has no customer-initiated activity for 1 year, it may be converted to a different savings account subject to a specific pricing schedule, which could include a monthly fee if you don't meet waiver requirements. These fees, which could be a few dollars a month, might seem small, but they can quickly erode a low balance. If the fees deplete the balance to zero, the bank may close the account. The biggest danger isn't the fee itself, but what happens next. If your account remains inactive for a prolonged period, typically 3 to 5 years depending on your state, Regions Bank is legally required to turn the funds over to your state's unclaimed property division. This is the escheatment process. While the money is still technically yours, reclaiming it from the state can be a confusing, drawn-out process. So, how do you avoid this fate? It's surprisingly simple. Action is your defense. The single best way to prevent your Regions Bank account from becoming dormant and incurring unnecessary fees is to perform a customer-initiated transaction at least once a year. This could be making a small deposit or withdrawal, transferring funds between accounts, using your debit card if it's a checking account, logging into Regions online banking or the mobile app. You should also ensure the bank always has your correct, current mailing address. Returned mail is a major red flag for inactivity. To get the most accurate, current fee schedule for your specific account, always refer to the official Regions Bank deposit agreement and pricing schedule, or call them directly. Taking these few simple steps ensures your money stays where you intended it to be, safe and accessible in your own account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.